In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a voiceover on your videos in CapCut. So if you have a video like this, it is pretty much simple to add a voiceover. All you need to do is to have your video added on your timeline, as you can see it here. Then go to this audio option and tap on it. From here, look for the option called record. And here it is the last one. Now, if I go ahead and click on it, we can now begin our record. So I'll go ahead and tap on this record or mic function, and it will count up to 3, and then I'll begin. Once you're done, just click on it. And then if we go back now, we can also add audio effects. So to add audio effects, just go ahead and tap on this audio effects.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
And that is it. So select any of them.
1, 2.
So that is one. You can also use this.
1, 2, 3.
That is another one. So select any of them. And once you're done, just tap on this tick here to apply them. So now our voiceover has been added, and we can now listen in.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's great. Our voiceover and the effects have been added successfully. So that's how you can add voiceover on your CapCut videos using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.